These crispy tostados can be used for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. They're easy. They're delicious, you guys. They're low carb. And they are available when you are, if you make them in advance and freeze them just as I've done here. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. And if you're joining me for the first time, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do me the honor of doing so by hitting that subscribe button below. So you guys, as I just mentioned, these things are absolutely delicious. They are ready when you are. If you meal prep and make them in advance, put them in the freezer. So when you're ready to do a breakfast tostado or lunch or dinner tostado, all you need to do is go to the freezer, pull one out, set it out for about 5 minutes, and it is ready to fry and then fill with your favorite ingredients. So today, you guys, I am going to show you how to put it all together. So come in close and let's make some low carb tostados together. So in this bowl, I've already have my almond flour, and to it, I'm going to add some baking powder, xanthum gum, salt, and go ahead and combine these ingredients. Okay, everyone, so these are our dry ingredients and everything is well combined. And to it, we are going to add an egg. Go ahead and mix this in. And I'm going to change to a spatula. And this, you guys, is forming our dough. I need a little bit more moisture, so to it, I'm going to add some water. And then continue to mix this together until we have a dough. And at some point, we're going to have to get our hands into it, you guys. Okay, now to completely combine all of this together, we need to go ahead and use our hands. So I've got a plastic glove here. That way, this dough doesn't stick to my fingers. And let's go ahead and knead this until everything is incorporated. Doesn't take much because it was almost there. And as you can see, we have got a dough. So let me go ahead and move this out of the way, and I'm going to replace it with my seal mat, so that way we can go ahead and roll these out to the size that we need. Okay, everyone, so I am going to be using a 5-inch round. So out of this recipe, I should be able to get approximately 8. Okay. And we're going to start with the 1. Take the round, put this on top, press it down, get a piece of parchment paper, and we are going to roll this out until it completely covers this round. Okay, and here we have it, you guys. Nice and thin, just the way we want it. So at this point, I just need to remove the excess. Take a little pizza cutter here, cut around the edge. And here we have it. Now this is ready to take over to the stove and fry. Or, as I mentioned earlier, what you can do is you can go ahead and pre-make these and freeze them. All you need to do is to take this, separate them by a piece of parchment paper, put them into a freezer bag. And then again, when you're ready, they will be as well. Okay, let's make another one. It up, and here you have it. Okay, you guys, and you will do exactly the same thing with the rest of this dough. And again, either you can go ahead and fry them up now if that's what you choose to do, or again, you can put them in the freezer. Just keep in mind you have to separate them by some parchment paper, put them in the freezer, and again, when you're ready to use them, take them out, let them sit for about 5 minutes, and then they are ready to fry. Okay, you guys, just join me at the stove, and we are going to fry up these tostados. Okay, everyone, this skillet has heated with some avocado oil. And we are going to take the shell that still has the parchment paper round on the back of it, because again, it's thin and you cannot separate it. So put it right there at the bottom. And as it starts to fry, this parchment paper will lift up so that you can remove it, just like that. And when the edges become a golden brown, which this is, it's time to turn it. And here we have it, you guys. Okay, let's do another one. Just make sure this oil covers the bottom, and it is. Take the shell, put it into the oil. When the paper starts to separate, then you can take your tongs and remove it completely. And these are now ready to top with your favorite toppings, whether it be something for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Okay, everyone, and here we have it. Homemade, low carb, delicious, easy tostados. And all we need to do, you guys, is put our favorite toppings on it, whether it be something for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, or you guys, we can eat them just as they are. Lord, I thank you. Delicious, you guys. Absolutely delicious. So give them a try. And when you do, please do leave in the comments just how phenomenally delicious these are so that everyone else can make them at home as well. And the beauty about making these at home is, once again, you guys, you get to control the ingredients. And remember, you guys, to give this video a like and a share, and please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for your support. And also, if you don't want to cook the entire recipe today, remember, just put some parchment in between each one and then put them in the freezer. So that way, when you're ready, they are ready as well. Just set them out for about 5 minutes and then cook them in a hot skillet with some avocado oil, and you are good to go. Thank you guys so much for joining me. And remember, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special, you guys. And stay tuned for some future videos where I will show you some of my favorite ingredients to put on top of these. Until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries. And I will see y'all real soon on my next Fit 550. Thank you guys, and enjoy.